In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on this red button at the bottom to start. Beforehand, you can also click on Speech to Text at the bottom left one to enable it. Hit allow in all pop-ups, and as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use middle button. To listen to it right away, pause it, swipe it, and click on the left one. To add a bookmark, click on this one at the top right corner of this section. And to end it and save it, click on the right one. Following that, you need to name your recording and hit save. Now to listen to it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options and those three dots at the top right corner. Or go back, hold it, and operate all of those at the bottom, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!